call Supermac to sort of like ease the blow before we get there?
Oh, yeah, you do that while I get some gas.
Hey, you got some money?
Hey, man, I ain't got no money.
Preacher, you see what I see?
Hey, that looks like...
Yeah, we need to talk to that mother right now.
Wait just a minute, Foxy. Hold on. We don't want to start no trouble here. And get the fuzz in on them.
They ain't working too hard lately.
Yeah, file them someplace with some private. Hey, he's getting ready to go now.
Yeah, let's go get him.
Sit down, Mr. I didn't catch your name.
I didn't give it. What's this all about?
My name is Mac. Maybe you heard of me. Why don't you sit down? Now, I understand you got something that belongs to me, Mr. What'd you say your name was?
Miller. And I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
You know, I can be real mean, Mr. Miller. Boys, maybe you ought to tell this dude just how bad I can really be when I have to.
Hey, Redneck, here's a present from Supermac.
You forgot something.
Man, I'm getting the hell out of here.
Dynamite.